If you are experiencing issues with Cash App cashouts, this video will guide you through some troubleshooting steps to help resolve the problem. First, check your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset, and verify you can access other websites. Also, check the Cash App status page for any service outages, and try restarting the app. Next, verify your bank account details. Go to your profile in the app, select Linked Banks, and ensure your account and routing numbers are accurate. If the information is incorrect, remove the bank and link it again with the correct details. Outdated software can also cause failures. Check your device's app store to ensure the Cash App is updated to the latest version. Additionally, check your device's system settings to install any available operating system updates, then restart your device. Sometimes, you may simply need to adjust the amount. Review your daily or weekly cash-out limits and consider breaking a large transaction into smaller increments. Ensure your balance is sufficient to cover the transaction, and if instant transfer fails, try the standard option. Finally, for platform-specific fixes, iOS users can offload and reinstall the app, while Android users can clear the app's cache and data in settings. On both platforms, ensure your date and time settings are set to automatic to avoid sync issues.